What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is India Story, and today I am bringing you a entrepreneur series that I wanted to start on my channel. Basically, of me working on my business, anything that have to do with my business, which is ModNation clothing. It will be on growing the nation. Growing the Nation will be basically a series when I'm working on anything dealing with my business to grow, because that's what I'm basically doing, growing my business. Not only growing my business, but I wanted to help you all or others that want to start a business or who have a business to grow theirs as well. And no, I do not know everything. And no, my business is not a multi-million-dollar business, but I can help you with things that I've learned, give you tips and information that I found along my journey. So speaking of business, right now I am working on new arrivals. I did take a break. Well, not really. During the pandemic, I was active with my business and getting orders, basically selling the old summer items from 2019, trying to push that out, trying to push some of that inventory out so I won't be sitting on inventory with the new arrivals. So that's what I'm working on now, and it is stressing me out with vendors because the COVID is still affecting some vendors and businesses. Like, I ordered some items 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm still waiting on them to deliver. So once I receive basically most of my items or all of my items, I'm going to next have a shoot the product shots and then shoot the location shots. So that's what I'm working on now, but I'm getting to it. It's just been real stressful. The items I have received, the vendors have been sending me the wrong colors. So they've been sending me the wrong colors. I've been having to send them back. They're not answering the phone. The communication is like horrible right now because they only going to work on certain days. So I would have to basically catch them on the day they are there. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. But new arrivals are coming, so just stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button right now. Follow me on Instagram at India Story. Follow my business page, ShopModnation, on Instagram, and on Facebook it's ModNation Clothing. So yeah, so that's what this series is going to be about. Basically business behind the scenes with photo shoots and me working on my business, me giving you all tips and information. Like I said, I don't know everything, so I'm going to at least try to have 2 to 3 tips or some type of information every time I do Growing the Nation series. So that's the plan. So speaking of inventory, well, this is not really inventory, but it's basically supplies. I did order me some custom poly mailers. So these are my new packaging. I found a vendor to basically do these, and I found a vendor on AliExpress. So yeah, take advantage. So yeah, I found these on, well, I got these made from AliExpress. I was gonna do Etsy. That's another site you can do poly mailers on. So that's another website, but I love them. Basically you put them in, put the items in this way and just close it, and you can carry it as a bag. So these are my new poly mailers. So if you order from me, you are getting the new white custom packaging. And also I found a vendor for new hang tags. I ordered me some new hang tags that I got made. If I can get it out. So basically it's a hang tag, and it came with strings. Well, the strings was extra. I also got these made from AliExpress. And on the back is basically my website. It say welcome to the nation, and it say them or the nation. Of course it's the nation. So yeah, I like those. I got those made. And these are the strings. So I ordered me a new scale as well. I haven't even opened this yet. I ordered this off Amazon. I needed one so bad. I mean, with clothes, I kind of know the weight with certain clothes, but if a person is ordering more than one, I be wanting to know the weight for it so I can save some coins for shipping. But let me get this open. Come with the cord. Oh, it came with batteries. Okay. Now this scale, I can link this scale. This scale is this scale was like $21. So this is the scale, and you place the package on top. And you can't take that off. So yeah, I needed this. This will come in handy. So this is on Amazon. I can link the put the link at the bottom in this description. So that's just a couple of things I did order as far as supplies. So yeah, just waiting on the inventory to come in. So I did want to give you like some advice, or like if you want to start a business, or if you already have a business and just need to get a little push. I say to start off by finding what you really want to do as far as your passion, what you love to do. And just start, like whatever you want to start on, just start. Find your passion, find whatever you want to do. Research, do a lot of research on the industry or whatever you want to start on as far as your business. Research, just stay around like-minded people, network. What I like to do is I stay on Eventbrite, trying to find a new network event to go to meet new people who like to do what I like to do. Just like-minded people who all about their business. I've met people from network events that from 2 or 3 years ago that I'm still friends with. Oh, take advantage of social media. Like, follow people that's doing the same thing that you want to start on, or what you're doing, to get inspiration, to get inspired. Social media is basically free promo. Like, yeah, it's just free promo. Start an account on each social media. I've learned that Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, what else? Instagram is the biggest one. Instagram and Facebook. Just follow people that inspire you, like business owners, anything you want to do. That's what I do. I follow a lot of fashion business owners, designers, fashion bloggers, anything dealing with business. It don't even have to be dealing with fashion, just anything dealing with business. If they're a business owner that I can get information from. So that's the advice I have for you today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you start on whatever you want to do. I hope you continue on watching Growing the Nation to help you grow your business, and just follow me on my journey. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.